Hi, today we have a Skoda Rapid petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the exchange heater. To remove the exchange heater, I don't have to disassemble the whole dashboard. I just have to remove this center part here, center plastic, at the handbrake and gear shift. And then I can have access to the exchange heater. Now with a small screwdriver I remove this front plastic, and also at the back remove this one. Here we have one bolt, and also we have here two bolts that are on this side. One is here and the other one is over here. They are with Torx 20. After removing those three bolts, now you can see the plastic is moving, and also with a small screwdriver I have pulled out the leather of the gear stick, and now I have to open this metal bracket so I can pull out the gear stick. Also I have removed this plastic for the handbrake, so the plastic can go through the handbrake, and I have to disconnect the cigarette lighter, have to disconnect the wiring. Maybe I would have to disconnect the handbrake from the bolt with a 10mm wrench, because I can't move the handbrake through this opening. So when I disconnect it, it can go all the way up, and then I can remove the central console plastic. I removed the central plastic, so now you can see where the exchange heater is. Exchange heater is in this lower plastic, and that one is held by these metal fast pins. There are 6 of them. We have 2 here, 2 we have over here, and 2 we have on this side. But before I open them, I have to drain the coolant, open the hoses at the engine bay. The hoses are located here at the back side of the engine, and they are these 2 hoses. I'm going to open the center bolt of the plastic. It's with 8mm 12 angle M8, and that's the easiest way to disconnect the hoses. When I open them, it's going to leak the coolant. After that, I'm going to refill it with a new one. If remove the bolt, remove the plastic pipes, so now I can remove the exchange heater. Now I have opened the metal clips, and also I have made a cut here. This pipe is going for heating rear passenger legs, and because this cannot be removed, to remove this you have to disassemble the whole carpet, disassemble the seats and everything. And like this I made a cut, so now I'm lowering the exchange heater, and I can easily move on this side, otherwise I cannot remove it. On Fabius it's much more easier, because here is a rubber connection, and when you remove the rubber connection, you can easily pull out the heater core. This is all the same like the Fabia, but the problem is this pipe, they made it plastic, and it cannot be moved. And after that, when I am installing it, I can pull it like this, and I can use some glue, and it will be working just fine. Now to remove the heater and install the new one. Now you can see there is a lot of dirt inside. The problem with this heater was it wasn't heating. It didn't leak, but it wasn't heating, and it was cleaned once or twice, but it was the same problem, and that's why it's going to be replaced. Here I have new exchange heater that I'm going to install. I have taped the sponges installed in the plastic cover, so now I will have to struggle a little to install it into the vehicle. As you can see, I have put back everything together. Also, I have used aluminium duct tape. So now I can reassemble the plastic covers. I have returned the plastic cover. I have also readjusted the handbrake. This is for adjusting the cable movement. It's not for adjusting the handbrake, but to adjust the free movement of the cables. Hope you will understand, because I don't know how to explain it. Tightened 3 bolts, Torx 20, installed the plastic caps, connected the cigarette lighter. So now I can refill with coolant. I have to connect and refill with coolant at the engine bay and start the engine. I have reconnected the hoses, installed new rubber seals, new O-rings. They are 16 on 2.5. Refilled with coolant. Now I can start the engine, let it to warm up, and see how the coolant radiator, how the exchange heater is working. I will wait for a little to warm up, see how it is working. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.